Good morning, Dukes and Duchesses of Dirtumberland. I hope you're doing well. I am doing amazing. It's a balmy April morning club ride this morning on a Saturday, and let's see what route we're going to follow. Will it be a short one? Will it be a big one? There's only one way to find out. How's the knee? Alright, thank you. Watch out, Lee, there's a dog ahead. Sounds savage. Thank you. Hello. Thank you. And again. Morning.
Morning.
Morning. Oh, that wind's picking up now, Dan. Yeah. Thank you very much. Morning. Hey guys. Keep going. Yeah, good. Yeah. There's about 10 of us more to come. Alright, cheers. Go on, Dan. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Not electric. Have my fucking bottom on.
Right, can I get a hot chocolate? Just to be different. No, just a plain old hot chocolate, please. Mint Aero tiffin. And a sausage sandwich, please.
Damn it.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, it was nice riding with you.
Are you straight on?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm left. Right, okay, bud, take it easy. Stay safe.
Yeah.
Catch you later.
Take care, mate.
Right, I am riding solo now. There were 3 routes today, short, medium and long, and I'm going for the medium route, and it seems like I'm the only one who wanted to. Didn't want to hang around too long at the food stop, so let's push on. What a racket! Whew. Well, we are 78 kilometers in. It's maybe 77, and yeah, I reckon I've probably got another 40k to go, maybe at the most. Heading towards Sunderland now, just on the Pittington Trail from Durham towards Hetton. Yeah, it's lovely. I've never been on here before, and it's really nice. Lovely surface, nice gravelly surface, nice tree line coverage along there. I feel like I've got a bit of a tailwind at the moment as well, which is a absolute joy. So I'm gonna have a little bite to eat and then we'll push on. stuff all over the place.
All them railings blew over here.
Oh. A little bump. There you go. See you later. Take care, ladies. Ah, bless those old dears. What you didn't see is me coming off my bike. I thought, oh, pull over to the right, give them some space to get past and stop. I lost my footing, down I went. Oh, nightmare. Anyway, fun and games. Let's push on. So, just coming up past Salter Lighthouse, Suter Lighthouse, Salter Suter, I don't know. I haven't got a clue. No, Salter Lighthouse, just coming past there. I've got a bit of a taily, sidey kind of wind. Narrow single track I'm trying to negotiate. I'm going to make my way up to the road now and follow the road the rest of the way back to the ferry. I think I'll get the ferry back today, just for a change. Right, let's push on. Well, Dukes and Duchess of Northumberland, I'm just at South Shields Ferry Landing. It's quite choppy out there in the water today. And yeah, the wind's definitely picked up now, so I'm glad I'm on the final leg. Just got to get the other side of the boat, and then we'll be away home, not far now, probably about 6 or 7k. Let's wait for the ferry. Cheers, bud. Thank you. Hey, well, Dukes and Duchess of Northumberland. Okay, so that is 119.9 kilometres. Could have gone around the block, but no, I'm happy with 119.9. Average speed of 20.7 kilometres an hour, 1,112 metres of climbing, and an average heart rate of 125 BPM, but my watch died halfway around, which I take my heart rate off, so that's probably wrong. Yeah, I enjoyed that. Great being with the group to start off with. And doing a route I pretty much knew most of the way of. Then there was a last section just after Lanchester, which I've not been down before. Truly Scrumptious was Truly Scrumptious, great stop there. And then the rest of the route up until Sunderland really was completely new to me, and loads of really nice, fun gravel. Pittington track was lovely. And yeah, then I just followed the river back, or the sea coast back to home, and it was very windy. So I'm glad I didn't do the full 100-mile route. I'm quite happy with 120k. Okay, stay safe, keep it upside down, and I shall catch you in the next one. Bye for now.